Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys this beautiful headband wig from RPGSHOW. I love the beautiful texture of this kinky curly wig and the color is gorgeous. I love the shape that it came with and the density, the volume, everything about it. So all the details will be in the description box below. So if you guys want to go ahead and watch me style this wig and share different headbands with you guys, as well as answer you guys' questions that you guys asked me, then stay tuned for the video. Okay, so my hair is flattened down with some gel and a little bit of edge control, and I put a side cap over my head just for about like I think 10-20 minutes to ensure that my edges are laid and my hair is flat at the top. I'm ready to try on this wig. I'm super excited because this is what it looks like after it's dried, and look how beautiful these curls are, and look at the color. Oh. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's on. I'm just gonna run my fingers through, and this is what I usually do to all my curly wigs, just so I can get a little bit more volume with it. And if I want to speed up the process of getting some volume, I'll just use like a wide tooth comb. Let me go ahead and try on these headbands and try out different hairstyles. At the same time, I'm gonna answer you guys' questions. I first wanna show you guys this headband because I really love it. I think it's really pretty. And you can get it anywhere online, you guys. Like on Amazon, they have so many cute headbands you can get. But I thought this one would go really good with this hair color especially. Ooh, this is really pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is really nice. This is really, really nice. Aw. This is a cute headband. Let me try this one on here. So this is a really cute one if you're looking to have like a plain black one but kind of spice it up a bit. You can even go lower if you really truly want to cover your forehead. You know, if you have a bigger forehead like me, sometimes you just gotta represent. Okay, so I have actually a lot of questions about how did I meet my husband, where did I meet him, how long we've been married for, and all that. I think I'm gonna have a separate video for that, like with me and him, and we can both talk about that experience. I'm a college student taking business as a minor and was curious about your thoughts on accounting. I think you mentioned it once in your videos before. Yes, so I actually am an accountant, and I've had a lot of accounting experience, a lot of finance experience, a lot of investment experience, because I have a bachelor in commerce and I majored in accounting and I minored in finance. Currently, right now, I am actually an auditor. And so when it comes to accounting, there's so many different types of accounting you can get into. And that's the one really good thing about accounting, I noticed. Not the one good thing, but that's one of the really good things about it, because there's so many options in that career field and there's always companies hiring accountants. I think it's actually a really good profession to get into. I worked in private companies, I've worked in government. They're all super different. I tried out so many different jobs. I was never afraid to like leave one job and go for the next if I felt like that current position or company wasn't my fit, or there was no opportunities for growth, or I realized that wasn't for me. And the best way to find out what's for you is to just keep trying different things. And it's basically like the process of elimination. Figure out the things that you don't like to get closer to what you do like, basically. So never settle, basically, and you know, just keep trying to figure out what is best for you, because in the long run it's gonna pay off. So I always focus on like happiness first, and then the money will come later, basically. Okay, but do you guys like this hairstyle or what? I really, really like this one. And if you want, you can even turn this into like a bun. So next question is, what have you learned about yourself in quarantine? Sending lots of love. Thank you so much. Sending you guys lots of love as well. You know what's crazy? The biggest thing I feel like I've learned about myself during quarantine is that I learned that I need to like slow down and just like relax more and just be more present basically. I just love to do a lot, you know, and I'm always like, you know, making sure I have my coffee in the morning and I have my to-do list, and it's like a race to see like how much I can get done in a day, and it's just like it makes me so happy to just cross off everything. And then when I try to just like relax a bit during quarantine and actually take days off in a row, and you know, because I haven't done that in so long too, like I actually just have like a full day of doing nothing, you know, it was just, I always felt so guilty, you know, like, and I always felt like, oh my god, I'm wasting my day, you know what I mean? I realized like, hey, that's kind of a problem, you know, when this whole quarantine thing happened, like, you know, I feel like that was kind of like a chance for us all to maybe relax a bit and slow down and kind of do a lot of self-reflection and self-care, and you know, just focus on other areas of your life that you never really had a chance to do because, you know, your life was just go, 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 and now everything is shut down. You're basically forced to stay at home, and it's a lot of like, you know, a lot of time for growth. Wow, I actually really like this hairstyle. I actually like this bandana look too, and I could even try to see if I could, you know, put this in a bun as well, but this hairstyle is really cute as well. I really, really like it, you guys. I'm trying to simplify my life a lot more so that I don't have to feel like I'm always, you know, rushing to get things done and feeling overwhelmed and everything like that, because I feel like that's not how life's supposed to be. Like this whole hustle and bustle life that they like try to glamorize, I'm beginning to realize like that's not for me. I don't really want that, you know. I used to want that, and I just feel like now that I have a taste of like actually relaxing and taking your time to do things, like I'm actually starting to like it now, you know. And I still definitely want to be productive, but I definitely still want to be successful and all that stuff, but I want to like work smarter rather than working harder, and I want to be able to like actually enjoy the journey and the process too, and not like rush things, you know. Focus more on quality versus quantity, and you know, just like prioritize much better basically. I would love to know in the comments below, what have you guys learned about yourselves during quarantine, because I'm sure that you guys have all had a lot of time to reflect on your guys' selves. Okay, so another question here is, do you have any tips for people that are waiting for the right one and trying to stick to their standards and values? I have no problems in waiting for the right one, and I don't care how long it takes, because I truly just feel like that is such a serious decision on who to spend the rest of your life with, and even just who to basically be with. I would say trust in God and have faith. It's all about your faith. Like if you have faith in God and you pray about it, having real faith, so like pray about it but don't worry about it. Like when you're busy focusing on yourself, like, you know, you're getting education or you're working hard, you have these goals, you're not constantly looking around for people. When you least expect it, I feel like, is when, you know, you come across someone that is just so meant for you, you know? Everything's gonna happen at the right timing in divine order. You know what's best for you, and you know that you're worth it, and you shouldn't lower your standards for anybody. I always trust the process, and I just keep it moving. I live my life, and things just somehow always work out for me, because that's the mentality that I have. That's what I would say, and I really hope that advice, you know, was helpful. And if you guys want more advice, maybe I'll do another video on that topic. But yeah, this is a cute style as well. I would probably just take some of the hair and then just hide the ponytail, and just have a cute little low ponytail. I really, really like this hair, you guys. I feel like I've said it 100 times, so I really do. Okay, so I actually got a lot of questions, you guys, so I don't think I'll be able to do them all in this video, because I don't want this video to be too long, but I'll definitely carry them over to another video. I'm just gonna kind of pick this out more and just kind of wear it down, because I think this is like my favorite hairstyle, to be honest. And yeah, this is this wig, you guys. I really love it. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about this wig, this headband wig, and if you guys would ever try one. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.